fulfillment. In our whole life, we keep looking for fulfillment without even knowing what this fulfillment is of all about. We try to find satisfaction through money, sex, alcohol, spirituality, but sooner or the later we get bored and then look for some new entertainment. We post on Facebook our photos with legends, sports person, politicians, or in background showing Europe or America, and then next morning look for the number of likes. If we get good numbers of likes, then we try to put more posts as we feel low. If there are no likes, through others' likes, we look for our importance. It is the game of ego. I try to show off in order to increase I. Today I will go to mall, will buy designers clothes, and evening will have dinner in a 5-star hotel. All acts are performed and motivated by ego and lead to enhancement of ego. A dog, when chews the bone harder, it gets blood out of its gums. It thinks that it is coming out of bone, but seldom it knows that it is its own blood. Similarly, the ego that is responsible for all our troubles look for the reasons outside in order to satisfy itself. The problem is asking how to solve the problem. Unless we understand that it is our own ego that is creating hurdles to our inner journey won't start. We need to see this as soon as possible in our life so that our precious lifetime is saved. Else, we will spend the remaining days of our life the same way we have already spent. Satisfaction cannot be found in anything. Everything is temporary and changing. All things give satisfaction for some time, and after that, again we look for something new in which we can satisfy ourselves. We spend entire life, but even on the last day, we will be unsatisfied because there will be some new things which may not have tasted. Thus, to look for satisfaction is to look for endless. We look for endless. Why? Who is that who is looking for endless? It is your I, because I knows that I will be going to end one day. Thus, the I look for endless. If you are really interested in endless, then the only way is to end the end, so that endless is there. It is your I only who is covering the endless. Behind the existence of all things, there is an entity, there is a creator. That creator may be sitting on some planet and utilizing the earth as his lab of experiments. No living or non-living thing has the power to see the creator. The urge to see the creator is also the creation of I. Maximum, what can happen to a human is awakening, which can lead to enlightenment. Through the world, there are so many religions. There are temples, mosques, churches, monasteries. All of them speak of God. They have different ways by which one can realize God. God, as we all know, is the creator, one who generates, operates, and destroys. God cannot be seen or heard through our senses. Humans can see between the range of 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. This does not mean that there is nothing above or below this range. Why is that humans can see and hear between a particular range? We can give scientific justifications, but here we are talking about the structure, the construction of human body. The Creator has created us keeping in view certain purpose. Never a day will come that the creation will surpass the Creator.